Alan Knuckman of Agora Financial joins us now for the weekly options alert. Good to have you here as always. Let's get your trader talk.
Well, we've gone from fast and furious to now quiet, calm in the marketplace. So that's a great example of why we lightened the load. We were selling into strength. Now we've only got a handful of positions waiting for the next move. We'll see if it's higher.
Well, here's a look at those positions. We have a WPI trade tracker because we do track your trades, starting with Bank of America.
Yeah, Bank of America can't get through 30. If it gets through 30, it's going to 32. So it's hitting a wall up here. We've got the March option that expires here in a couple weeks. We've got a little bit of time, the 28 call. Let's see if we can get another leg higher. We've got the employment number coming out. That could have an effect on the financials.
We do the jobs report at the end of the week. And of course, there's AMD, a big chip name that you're watching.
Right. The April 20 call, again, plenty of time for good things to happen. If we can get through 25, then we could have a breakout to 30. So let's keep an eye on that 25 level one more time.
And then Twitter made it back on your list.
Twitter, yeah, the April call, the 29 call there. It's been traded between 25 and 35 since July. So let's see if we can get a little kick up here. 32.50 is a real key level because that's the halfway mark of this recent action. And if it can get to the 35, which is just the top of the sideways channel, that option would gain 50%.
And your WPI trade trigger this week is Microsoft. That stock has been above $100.
Yep, Microsoft here, it did drop from 115 down to 95. So 105 is the midpoint pivot. We're above that. I'm looking at the April 105 call. A full V recovery, if that could happen, would target 135. So I'm looking for some more upside as we approach these recent highs here in this. Now, the strategy is important because I want to talk about what we do each and every week. We look at in-the-money options. So the in-the-money option, the 105 call, if we're trading at 110, 112 right now, that option's got a delta of about 80%, and we're buying time because the volatility is low at this particular instance. We're buying about 45 days, so let's see if we can get a big push here and get a quick move to 120, and that would pay off nicely.
And your trading floor takeaways?
Number one, S&P stall. So this level here, 2820 that we've hit, was the high in October, November, December. So we haven't been able to push through it. Like I said, the markets have calmed for right now. Let's see if there's another catalyst to make another push to the upside.
I love this one, stock stair step, and this is something that traders like to watch as well.
Right, we've been seeing a series of new higher highs and higher lows, and every time we do sell off, we look to see how it responds and rebounds, and that's what we've seen. It's rebounded and made some new swing highs each and every time, so that's what we want to see once again.
I'm also pleased to see that you put Apple on your list.
We cannot forget, do not forget about Apple, the Apple Eye.
It has a sneaky rally.
Right, so we've got to the highest level we've seen now in 2 months here in Apple. We got up to 177 here on Monday. So move to 185, 190 level. That's the midpoint of this big drop from the top. Now, if we can do that, then that would be a very healthy sign for the overall market and could lead to a market melt-up.
So never take your eye off of Apple.
Apple Eye.
Thanks for coming on the show.
Thanks.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.